When did you get into the crypto markets? Did you get in 2016, 2020, 2024? Let me know in the comments below whether you're a returner to the channel or you're new here. That means you're looking at the crypto markets, you've seen Bitcoin go above 75,000 and you're thinking, how can I allocate my assets in the right positions to profit in this 2024, end of this Q4 and into 2025? A new era where the economy looks like it's booming right now as of Wednesday, November 6th, 2024. Looks like November is having a great leg up for cryptocurrency. We went from 68 and a half yesterday all the way up to $76,000, hitting all-time highs. So I know you guys are thinking, how do I benefit? If you've been here since 2016 or you've been in the space before that, let me know in the comments below. Let me know how many bull runs and bear runs you've gone through. But I've been around since 2015. And I can tell you, since it was at $750 all the way up to now $76,000, it is super cyclical and it's super volatile. So first off, if you're weak-hearted, this probably isn't the video for you. And if you don't have money to lose, then this definitely isn't the video for you. Don't try to make money when you don't have money. Go learn an income earning skill. And once you have money, that is when you preserve your wealth by investing. That's what people do. But you can't make money without money unless you provide a service. And in that case, check out one of my videos on providing a service-based business, such as an agency or an AI agency, which we talk about AI all the time. But if you want to get wealthy, you need to use the power of compound money. Yes, you might be able to do it and get lucky. Well, I hope you do. And I hope you join the Bull Run Blueprint to help you in that journey. Feel free to ask any questions on the way there. But if you are new or you've made the mistake that everyone else has made, hodling too long, going 100x and then losing it all, these are things that people are accustomed to, have been going through, and a lot of reasons why people aren't in the market anymore. Because the average retail investor doesn't seem the short term or the long term. They only see it day to day. And sometimes it's just too volatile for them to digest. So you need to see what your appetite for risk is, as Imam Gaji would say, and invest what you can afford to invest and dollar cost average as you go into these meme coins, these lower cap gems that do 10x to 100x, but are definitely higher risk, higher reward, lower market cap, more volatility. So if something goes up 600%, expect it to go down 90% once the hype is gone, because we're not even at $1 billion market cap. You're not very legitimate yet to where one whale can't dump on you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. If you're going to make a lot of money in this bull run, smash that like button. I'm wishing you luck, and I'll see you in the next one.